Hey guys, today I will be going over the benefits of turmeric and what it can do for your third eye or your pineal gland. So, the first thing I wanted to talk about is the benefits of turmeric if you digest it. Some of the benefits if you digest turmeric is it stops swelling, it kills bacteria, viruses. It's full of protein, dietary fibers, vitamin C, E, and K, calcium, potassium, copper, iron, magnesium. It helps prevent cancer. It helps with swelling. It gives you more oxygen. It improves your digestions. It detoxes the body. There's a ton of benefits that turmeric does for the body when it's ingested into your stomach. So you should research more into that. But today I'll be showing you how to make the turmeric paste that will help decalcify your third eye. What you will need is turmeric. Try to get a turmeric that is organic, or if you can't really find organic turmeric, you could use turmeric spice, but I don't really recommend that.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
turn it off, and here you go. After it is done cooking, you just get it and you transfer it into a container that you can keep locked up. This is Mon in the building. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to turn turmeric into paste for the third eye. And now once you made it, all you do at nighttime is rub it in between here and around this vicinity, and it'll take the fluoride out of this area. And if you consume it, it does other things too. This is Mon in the building, signing out.